Hello, my friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am welcome to my Teach Work from Home YouTube channel. I am my channel. The provide more than 100 YouTube videos. Total guidelines of YouTube in video sharing and teach work from home. Teach work from home. My YouTube channel. Please subscribe and comment, and share. My channels provide these videos, uh, 62 the latest videos, as from data entry job on data entry homework, how to make money on YouTube, on digital marketing and social media management, and digital marketing guidelines, earn money online, digital marketing, copywriting job, earn money on Fiverr, copywriting job, work from home. What is the copywriting job? Home earn money, copywriting Fiverr and Upwork job. Instagram copywriting job, how to earn money, copywriting job. What is the search engine optimization, earn money, search engine. Total my video sharings listing, SEO, earn money online, search engine optimization, and earn money on social media management, social media marketing, earn money, Fiverr, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, earn money, marketing, YouTube marketing, earn money on Facebook marketing, Facebook income, earn money, YouTube management and YouTube marketing, Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, Facebook management and Facebook marketing, earn money on Fiverr, digital marketing, earn money on Upwork, Fiverr, digital marketing, earn money on Fiverr, total digital earn money on Fiverr marketplace, digital marketing, social media marketing, data entry job, earn money, Fiverr, Upwork, data entry, earn money, copy paste job, Fiverr marketplace, YouTube video, earn money on Fiverr, Canva design, earn money of Upwork and Fiverr, social media design, earn money on Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, local marketplace, Fiverr, YouTube earn money, YouTube thumbnail creation earn money, YouTube earn money, Fiverr social media, one skill, Fiverr earning, Fiverr earn money, Fiverr marketplace, Fiverr pricing upgrading, social media management and earn money, YouTube channel create, earn money, YouTube thumbnail create, how to A2I on work from home, apps development, mobile app development, YouTube channel create and following category, YouTube earn money and YouTube creating, 40 hours work at home, 10 hours work at home, 25 hours work at home, and copywriting, Canva, YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube creating, 6 hour creating, and Facebook income, 7 hour work from home, easy work from home. Total, my channel provide the videos title, but teach work from home. This channel. Very interesting channel. I am just guidelining the earn money of online platform, offline platform. Just I can guideline, I can practice. You can just try to practice how to earn money, make money, gain of online platform, offline platform. Basically, every freelancer, every person know that home and online platform and offline platform. So friends, I can provide my YouTube channel, teach work from home, the lot of categories, lot of OIs, the guidelines. You can practice how to earn money, a lot of OI, the Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, LinkedIn marketplace, social media platform, as like social media management, social media manager, the lot of demand, the social media manager, Fiverr social media manager, Upwork social media manager, social media management, social lot of job. I can suggest total basically my channel. I can focus on the social media platform. The first time social media platform, the Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube present time the worldwide and the reliable, honest, and trustable site. Your YouTube lot of oil earning, YouTube short monetization earning, YouTube lot long videos monetization earning, and YouTube content, YouTube video editing, YouTube content maker partnership, sponsorship, etc., etc. But second time, the social media, Facebook page creation, Facebook channel setup, Facebook channel creating, Facebook schedule posting, ad campaign, Google ad campaign, Google AdWord campaign, YouTube AdWord campaign, Twitter, and LinkedIn, Instagram. So basically you can practice the lot of work as like the Facebook work on Fiverr marketplace I tried. Basically social media platform, social media management, social media marketing, I can just offer on Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr marketplace basically social media, digital marketing lot of part, digital marketing. Digital marketing, the very interesting job and home job, teach work from home. I'm basically favorite and choose the marketplace on Fiverr and Upwork. I'm very interesting and nicely I feelings and job and digital marketing lot of part, the social media management, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, video marketing, e-commerce marketing, SEM, search engine marketing, email marketing, and music promotion. The nicely slogan on Fiverr marketplace, digital marketing, brand your brand, grow your business. The type of social media management, the first time digital marketing digital marketing two part. The number one part search engine optimization, number two part social media management. Search engine optimization very important, and how to lot of make money on the market platform, online market platform, offline market platform, the local and US international market platform. The lot of people the search engine optimization, they gain website and video rank, etc., etc. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, video SEO, and social media marketing, paid social media, influencer marketing, community management. Method of techniques, video marketing, e-commerce marketing, email marketing, guest posting, affiliate marketing, display advertising, public relation, and text message, and analytic and strategy, marketing advertising, and web analytic. I can choose very interesting and nicely home job, work from home job, social media management. I request every people, every person that's how to earn money, the social media management, very interesting job, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., etc. The lot of work on Fiverr marketplace, Instagram marketing management, grow your promote, and Facebook ad campaign, YouTube promotion, YouTube Google ad campaign, Google AdWord campaign, Instagram go from promotion, Instagram premium, lot of service this marketplace. You can just one or two social media targeted work, then success your life, and how to lot of make money, earn money, and teach work from home, my YouTube channels, the guidelines, and Fiverr, Upwork. Basically a newly freelancer, newly person, they practice them work from home, the total guideline, my YouTube channels, Fiverr lot of system you can search, digital marketing, graphic design, writing and transcription, video animation, music. You can target it one things on Fiverr, digital marketing, graphic design, logo design, banner design, website design, Facebook cover design, Facebook post design, Instagram post design, YouTube thumbnail design, YouTube thumbnail create, YouTube banner create, YouTube logo create. Same things all social media's lot of work in online platform, marketplace, Fiverr and Upwork. Friends, I can suggest my total guidelines, my online platform, my YouTube channel, digital marketing and social media management, highly demand, highly job, and online marketplace and data entry, virtual assistant, I can try to him this my channel the shorted information and basically guidelines of how to make money, how to earn money, work from home job, teach work from home. The lot of person his a lot of guidelines. Welcome to my channel, work from home blogs channel YouTube, and combine the popular topics technique and make money online teaching channel provide what is the information guidelines on how label and technology earn money on various and online source, then teach money, blogging and many of tutorial and traffic search affiliate marketing, creating monetization website using social media platforms, social media products and service. They may also review and recording tools and software. I can help views and earn money of online. On of everyday money will get an way to make online, make money and watching video and work from home strategy. Late and easy to make money online jobs, earn money, work from home by watching videos, adsable and techniques and blogs and great research and talking and using make money online. The online earning can help use development skill knowledge and needed to success in the field. This is the simple guideline and simple speech my YouTube channels. I am MD Kamal Hossain Chaudhary, freelancer Kamal Hossain, my Facebook freelancer Kamal Hossain. But I am speech naturally. I am teacher. I am teach my country, my international teaching. My teach from work from how to make money, how to earn money from home from job, work from home job. Lot of criteria in development your skill and gain to make money, earn money. Is this platform. So basically every no person one mobile phone and a smartphone and one computers and one internet line, you can any job trying in your online platform as like data entry job, virtual assistant. Data entry is a very easy and simple work. Data collection, copywriting, typing, etc. Lot of information. You can just suggest and search and Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, big search engine, any type of work from home. But basically you can practice and one skill time how to earn money, get money. Thank you very much. I present and presentation, small videos, short videos, long videos, my YouTube channel. You please and you helping, you can subscribe and comment, share. Thank you, best of luck. Again welcome to teach work from home my YouTube channel. Thank you. I am MD Kamal Hossain Chaudhary. Best of luck. Goodbye. You can practice them how to earn money, make money, and the friends again and last work from home, the including attach some speech you can practice. The last my videos again to space the work from home job have a biggest including popular and device in read and years offering specific and work from home. Here are same common work from home job the categories. Number one, remote customer service respectively. The headlines customer including product support and responsible issues via phone, email or chat. Number two, virtual assistant. Virtual assistant, the assisting and the advertising track, schedule posting, data entry and managing communication for business or individual. Number three, online tutorial. Online tutorial, the technical voice subject and providing language including thoughts on the virtual platform. Number four, content writing and copywriting, creating blog post, article, marketing, mails and website and content business. Number five, remote software development, IT job and like mobile apps development, build your maintain software application website, provide the technical support. Number six, remote graphic design, the logo design, banner design, website design, Illustrator, Photoshop, and free marketplace in Canva. Marketing matters. Number 7, remote data entry, including and manage data, data spreadsheet, data Excel, data entry, OMS Word, Microsoft, Microsoft Excel, and etc. Collect database, data software, data analytic, PDF to Word to PDF, etc. etc. The number 8, social media management. Manage your drawing the social media management account or business and individually, as like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. etc. Lot of social media platform. The number 10, remote marketing and sales executive marketing, the company's lead generation and sales from the remote location. Very interesting job. The LinkedIn platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, this platform, lead generation, very important site, the social media platform, LinkedIn platform. Number 11, e-commerce and online selling, the manage and online stores, selling product and handling customer service. 12, remote health job, the technical sales, medicine, etc. etc. Number 13, the language translation, the translation writing is spoken content between is the different language. Friends, the lot of system, the 13 system, the online income is the platform money, total guideline, my teach work from home YouTube channel, the presentation, some summaries, and my videos present and techniques, and my YouTube market and YouTube platform, my YouTube channel. You can some help happiness. Please subscribe and share my videos, comments, your valuable comments, and like. Thank you. Best of luck again to practice any job work from home, as like local marketplace, international marketplace, off page, on page, offline, online. You can try to him mobile, computer, and another. Thank you. Best of luck again to best of luck. Teach work from home YouTube channel. Thank you.